Moses, near yet say Accra Regional Youth Organizers in Yana. And now Modi Atuja say, Modema Hoarding BBL Thai Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Sanya T no na Sanity, announce and for and maybe I hear Casamano.
That's it. Na mefa mo platform we na medachia obia oti any Ghana ningina at large and MPP, the president and the vice president and the government ningina. Andura ampa the youth organizers, 80% of them have come on board. Say omudo maso na omohwe friend na ekono any the obetimi I break it easy Sambia Emba na the vice president of the Republic of Ghana, the papa His Excellency the President Nana Akufo-Addo Efano. He has indeed demonstrate and defend the party with all his heart. The omudomu support mano na omatanichi, and they're also calling on all party people. Say omusru bia say obia nhwe ni personal interest and freedom ni nhwe obia sebi obetime lead the party adu bia aba on board. The result here now 80% of the youth organizers and about together say they will endorse the vice president of the Republic of Ghana.
Being a regional youth organizer, na ulidi search tag no. Ti omo akano omo be shiamo, how are you going to respond to them?
Yeah, and do ano here na me ni honum. But the deputy and all the youth organizers, then there was a meeting. It's we are because as a leader, I've demonstrated something. Say, if there is an election, me as a leader, no, me impose be a will be so. And we have been doing your own, share, choir, yabefa. Now, only in politics there, obi ane na dream, but baby a domino and amno. That is where the masses follow.
Okay.
In theory, omunina, omu fine gentlemen, omunina, omu MPP. Yewo ebi musua, omu leaders are, omu mo other side. But indeed, a twabani we are, na himeja. I know, sir, and you know, Becca and Wabomu, ma, ya defeat NDC.
All right,
break the 8.
Moses Abo, Medal, Siano.